Does the SD card contain gold? Today I'm going to take it apart and take a look inside. SD cards typically do not contain gold. The main components of an SD card are made of plastic and metal. The plastic is used for the casing, while the metal components consist of copper and sometimes silver. Labels and prints. SD cards often have labels and prints on the outside, indicating the brand, capacity, and other specifications. These are usually made of ink or other materials used for printing. It's important to note that the specific materials and components used in SD cards can vary depending on the manufacturer. The type of SD card is such as SDHC, SDXC, and the capacity. However, the components mentioned above are the most common ones found in standard SD. The gold is not a standard material used in the construction of SD cards. Gold is used in some electronic components and connections due to its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion. However, in the case of SD cards, gold is not a common material in their construction. NAND flash memory. This is the primary storage medium used in SD cards. NAND flash memory is a type of non-volatile storage that retains data even when power is turned off. It is made of silicon and stores data in the form of electrical charges. The metal used in SD cards is usually copper, which provides good electrical conductivity, and silver may be used as well. The gold, if present at all, would be in negligible quantities and likely only in the connectors. The main reason for using gold in connectors is to ensure reliable and long-lasting connections, since gold doesn't corrode like some other metals. That being said, the amount of gold used in electronic devices like SD cards is relatively small and not a significant source of precious metals, compared to other electronic components, such as computer processors or certain types of circuit boards. Recycling electronic devices is more about recovering precious metals from large quantities of various devices, rather than targeting specific components like SD cards. Taking apart an SD card can be an interesting exploration of its internal components, but please be aware that doing so will void the warranty and can potentially damage the card, making it unusable, or losing data permanently. Hope you like our video and useful for you. Please share and subscribe. Check out our other videos too. Thank you.